Okay, as an ICT trader, I feel like the only terms you need to know, because I low-key hate these videos about terms you need to know, trading terms, because it depends on your strategy. But for me, like I said, it's just liquidity, fair value gap, market structure shift, inverted fair value gap, CISD, which is change in the state delivery, and an EMA, which is the exponential moving average. Now, there are order blocks for ICT traders. There's, market maker sell. There's, session high, session lows. But then there's also, if you do supply and demand, there's supply and demand zones, support resistance zones, trend lines. There's so many terms that you have to work out with your strategy. And then the other terms I think are irrelevant, like buy and sell, lot size, contract size, minis, micros. Like that shit is so irrelevant. Terms like just that you need to trade. I feel like liquidity is probably number one. Fair value gap is probably number two, even if you trade any strategy. I feel like everyone uses those. And then I would say supply and demand zone, order block, support resistance zone, and then CISD, market structure shift, EMA. And if you learn, honestly, all those, even if you don't trade supply and demand, or you trade support resistance, or you trade ICT, you will be light years ahead. So just those terms right there. And honestly, if you can break it down to two, my main two are liquidity and fair value gaps. It's literally like the 90% of my strategy. And then it gets, more intricate after that.